students. This is my second class of guidance and counseling. Today we are going to study about cause of indiscipline activities in school. Cause of indiscipline activities. There are various reasons for misbehavior of children could be classified in the following broad categories as home or familiar factor, unhealthy home, house environment characterized by abuse, fighting among parents and teachers, which set wrong role models for children, lack of routine regulating or monitoring at home or in classes, lack of quality time given to children by parents, housemasters, or class teachers, pampering excessively or always giving in to demands may result in indisciplined activities. School approach teachers' behavior. How far the school program practices, rules and regulations are in tune with children needs and or providing opportunity for their all-round development. Furthermore, teacher behavior, for example, harass or authoritative tone, ability to handle classes, inability to punitive methods of behavior management, poor teaching techniques, poor motivation, etc. The above have been found to be causes of students' inattention, lack of interest, and indiscipline in school. Child personality. Sometimes deficiency in child himself or herself can cause discipline problems. For example, child's aggressive behavior, hyperactivity may cause discipline if not dealt with adequately or proper channelizations and give more work to engage them because they are very energetic. Due to their high energy, they do always indisciplined activities or hyperactivities who can not tolerate. This will be very harmful to our school. Activity, there are some activities planned to understand the indiscipline cause. Here, activity 1A. Read the following three situations and see. There are three situations given. I am reading first. There are three situations. See if you can determine what the root cause for the problems might be. Here, first activities is Peter was hit by his neighbor and it turned Peter also hit his neighbor back. The neighbor was badly hurt. Peter came home running and told his father. Peter's father only heard and kept quiet. A few days later, Peter was involved in the same type of incident in school and Peter was severely punished for it. And activity 1B is Radha was a history of being a good student in all her subjects. She is often praised and rewarded for it. Now, since Radha is accepted as a bride, she is no longer receiving praise and reward. One of the teachers, Neera, scolds her for every little mistake. Radha started to lose interest and is not concentrating in Madam Neera's class and is therefore not performing well. According to the other teachers, she is one of the best students of their class. And activities 1C, we are seeing here bullying behavior. Third is 1C is class 8 students are told by the class teacher to go to the football ground. The teacher does not give any instructions as to what they will do, what games to play, or who will supervise them. The students go to the playground Few play and the rest are seeing, bullying, teasing and fighting with each other. Activity 1A, B, C, causes of misbehaviors. The following, the above examples, can you determine what the possible cause of misbehaviors might be? Think about it. And as per me, it may be the cause of here the first activities is, in the first situation, conflicting rules at home and schools are the reasons which are likely to create confusion in the minds of youngsters. In the second situation, teachers' attitude may be the most predominant cause of evident misbehaviors. In the third situation, lack of clarity of rule is perhaps creating indisciplined activities. Techniques of maintaining discipline. How can we maintain discipline in at the school ground? As a teacher counselor, you should plan some activities to tackle these problems. As we as a teacher counselor can play an important role in preventing undiscipline and maintain discipline. In identification and analysis of the situations behavior in the key to solve various undiscipline problems. Change as a teacher during teaching time, change the channel. I mean to say, same types of methods we cannot apply all the time. Sometimes when we watching TV, we are feeling bored at same channel. Then we immediately we remove the channels from our remote. Same types of channel we are as a teacher we can change the channel, like as per students interest we can teach through ICT classes, teach through stories, teach through some examples also. Sometimes we explain some great personalities and concept their clear their concepts. Reinforcement. Second is reinforcement. Reinforcement is a very big power of teachers during teaching times. The students always accept from their teachers some types of rewarded, like good, very good, excellence, or bravo, doing well, keep it up. These types of reward is reinforced students to do their work properly. This is a social reward and it is a free of cost. We should always give the students frequently. Anger control. Anger control, we can control the youngsters younger through some techniques. Among so many techniques, there are one technique is reverse counting. This is a very easy method to control the anger. I will prepare some other video. In this I will give some give these types of techniques. Yoga and meditation. This is a very long method to control the anger or any types of problem. So we can suggest the students to follow as per their convenient. Peer helping. Peer helping is a very supportive methods of teaching for remedial or poor learning students, for slow learners or support learners. we can provide some genius student from same class to support them and guide them or helping during study times. Self management, learning by doing or doing something to themselves. Students can manage themselves from self management. Self instructions, sometimes वी कैन, यहाँ पे मैं समझाना चाहूँ सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट में कुछ टाइम टेबल बना के कुछ वैसी एक्टिविटीज़ प्लान करके स्टूडेंट्स जो है अपना जो है टाइम मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं. सेल्फ इंस्ट्रक्शंस, खुद को गाइड करके. सेल्फ डिस्क्लोजर, खुद की जो कमी है उसको बाहर निकाल करके सेल्फ डिस्क्लोजर स्वयं को प्रस्तुत करके भी उनको सीखने को मिल सकता है. सेल्फ रिकॉर्ड्स और डायरी एंट्रीज़, जितने भी अच्छे काम किए हैं स्टूडेंट्स ने उनको मोटिवेट करना चाहिए कि उसको वो डायरी मेंटेन करें और रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन करें ताकि वो उनका आज की लर्निंग कल का एक एक्सपीरियंस बन जाए और आगे के लिए उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना रहे. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. इनडिसिप्लिन प्रॉब्लम्स को कंट्रोल करने के लिए ये कुछ मेन पॉइंट्स थे. मुझे उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया हो तो ज़रूर लाइक करें मेरी वीडियो को. अगर नहीं पसंद आता है तो कमेंट्स में लिखें कि इसमें और क्या किया जा सकता है. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.